Hi everyone, welcome to Bosch Appliance Care. I'm Kenny, your Appliance Care Specialist. Many of you have been asking me on how to insert the new carbon filter. It may seem different from the one that you have been using, as it comes with an additional adapter, which helps you to fit perfectly into the hood. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you on how to insert it correctly. Firstly, let's remove the metal mesh filter. You'll find a small catch on the side here. Just leave it to unlatch the mesh filter. Next, take out the old carbon filter. Now take your new carbon filter and align it with the screws on the side. The adapter should fit nicely. Once aligned, push the carbon filter into place. Make sure it's firmly secured and doesn't come loose. Finally, reattach the metal mesh filter and you're done. So please remember to replace your carbon filter. This will prevent bad odor and greasy smell from lingering in your kitchen. Thank you for watching. Hope you have learned something useful from this session. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. See you!